Welcome back MH Car Review, and today we are looking at something that is going to absolutely blow your mind. This is not just a vehicle. This is not just a motorhome. What you are looking at right now is the 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome, a $5 million, two-story moving mansion that redefines everything we thought we knew about life on the road. So sit back, because this one is something else. Let us start from the outside, because the moment you see this thing in person, your jaw just drops. The exterior is finished in a stunning pearl white that almost glows under natural light. The bodywork is completely custom, smooth, aerodynamic, and absolutely massive. We are talking about a full double-decker layout, meaning there are two complete floors of living space sitting on top of a heavy-duty Scania chassis. The proportions are extraordinary. From the front, you get the iconic Scania grille sitting bold and proud, surrounded by a full LED lighting system with daytime running lights that cut through the road like a luxury liner. The bumper is wide, aggressive, and finished in chrome and body color trim. Every panel gap is tight. Every surface is clean. This is coach building at the absolute highest level. Moving to the side, you can really appreciate the sheer scale of this machine. There are large panoramic windows on both the upper and lower deck, giving you incredible views whether you are sitting in the lounge or sleeping in the bedroom upstairs. The body features a slide-out section that expands the interior living space when parked, giving you even more room to breathe. The 6x6 drivetrain means you have 3 axles underneath this beast, giving it the kind of stability and road presence that most vehicles can only dream about. The wheels themselves are custom multi-spoke alloy units with polished chrome finishes, wrapped in heavy-duty performance tires that look incredible against the white body. At the rear, you get a panoramic window, custom taillights, and a clean fascia that finishes off the look perfectly. Whether it is parked in a showroom or rolling down a highway, this thing commands absolute attention. Now let us step inside, because if you thought the outside was impressive, wait until you see what is happening in here. The moment you walk through the main entrance door, you are stepping into what feels like a 5-star hotel suite that just happens to move. The lower deck is your main living and entertaining space. There is a full lounge area with curved leather sofas, recessed LED ambient lighting, and a large flat screen television mounted to the wall. The flooring is a gorgeous marble effect finish, and the ceiling has been sculpted with layered lighting panels that give the whole space a warm, golden glow. Every single surface, the cabinetry, the walls, the trim has been custom designed and hand finished to an extraordinary level of detail. Rose gold accents run throughout the interior, tying the entire design language together beautifully. The kitchen is a fully equipped, professional-grade cooking space built right into the coach. You have got built-in stainless steel appliances, a full espresso and coffee machine, quartz countertops, custom mat cabinetry in white and walnut, an integrated sink with chrome fixtures, and under-cabinet LED lighting. This kitchen would look right at home in a luxury penthouse apartment, and the fact that it is rolling down the motorway makes it all the more remarkable. Head up the internal staircase to the upper deck and you arrive at the master bedroom, and let me tell you, this is where the magic really happens. There is a full king-size bed position to take advantage of. The panoramic upper deck windows, the walls are upholstered in soft padded panels, the lighting is warm and dimmable, and there are built-in wardrobes and storage systems that are both beautiful and highly functional. It genuinely feels like a luxury hotel room. There is also additional sleeping space and a full bathroom with premium fixtures, a rain shower, and high-end finishes throughout. Back at the front, the driver's cockpit is equally impressive. The dashboard is a full digital setup with curved display screens, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and an advanced navigation and entertainment system built in. the driving position is commanding, giving the driver full visibility and complete confidence behind the wheel of this enormous machine. Under the hood, the 2026 Scania double-decker is powered by a heavy-duty Scania inline-6 engine producing well over 500 horsepower, mated to an automated transmission system that makes driving this two-story palace surprisingly smooth and manageable. The air suspension system ensures that no matter what the road surface throws at you, the ride inside remains incredibly composed and comfortable. Now for the number that everyone wants to know, the price. This particular build comes in at approximately $5 million US. Yes, $5 million, but when you consider the level of craftsmanship, the engineering that has gone into every single detail, the premium materials and the sheer one-of-a-kind nature of this vehicle, it starts to make a different kind of sense. This is not a motorhome. This is a statement, this is a lifestyle, this is what happens when you take the concept of luxury travel and push it as far as it can possibly go. The 2026 Scania double-decker 6x6 motorhome is without question one of the most extraordinary vehicles ever built. If this video got you as excited as it got me, make sure you hit that like button, subscribe to MH Car Review, and drop a comment below telling me, would you live in this full time? Because honestly, after spending time with this thing, I absolutely would. See you in the next one.